Predict the Mercedes-Benz C200 price using machine learning models. Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can predict the price of the kind of Mercedes-Benz, the Mercedes-Benz C200 using K nearest neighbors. It's the machine learning algorithm. First, we need to import all the necessary libraries. To import the file, we need club. To explore dataset, we need pandas and numpy. To split dataset, we need train test split. It's part of the scikit-learn. To run feature scaling, we need standard scaler. And to build machine learning model, we need to import k-neighbors regressor from the scikit-learn and the metrics. So the reason we are importing k-neighbors regressor because the price is the numerical. Then we need to get the data ready. Here we are getting the data ready. You can see this is the folder data set. The file name by using glob function under the glob library. We are importing the file name. Then by using panda data frame, the function under pandas name read underscore CSV, and this is the data you can see. So we are getting the idea about the data set, the title. Then we see how many observation and column we have. Here it's showing 119 observation and 5 columns. How many unique data we have in each column. So car length, for example, 51, car width 35, car height 40, price 112, affordable too, which means we can treat the affordable as we can treat it as categorical variable. Then we need to check the missing values. So luckily, we have no missing values. By using columns function, we're going to get the columns name inside the data set. The data info showing us the data type each column has. For example, do you remember we said, okay, the affordable probably is a categorical. And here you can see the data type is object, which means categorical. Then we need to define predictors and response values. This is the part we are defining predictors and response values. Because we have categorical in our predictor, we need to get dummy variables from that particular variable, which was affordable. So by using panda.get underscore dummies, we're getting dummy variables from the affordable. And this is our new X. Also, we need to split data set into training, validation, and testing set. So this is the way we are splitting the data set. Then we need to run feature scaling because our columns have different magnitude. They have different data. So we need to run the standardized data. This is the way we are running the scaling on the data. And you can see on the training data set, the validation data set, the training and validation data set, and the testing set. Then we run the machine learning part. So here we are using the cross-validation method to find the best number of neighbors. So here you can see we are running the for loops and we are building 20 different models using k-neighbors regressor for different number of neighbors, starting from 1 to 20. By using matplot.pyplot library, we are showing what's going on and what happened regarding the validation set and the training set. So you can see the best number of the neighbors are k, which makes sense. You know, when we are building the machine learning model using k nearest neighbors, the higher k we get, the more underfitting we are getting closer, and the less, for example, if the best number is the number of neighbors is the 1, so basically we are creating the complex model which is overfitting. Anyway, I just wanted to give you some very idea about overfitting and underfitting. And here we are running the best model by using metrics mean squared error. So this is, we are getting the mean for the best model. And do you remember we wanted to predict the Mercedes-Benz C200 price, right? So the Mercedes-Benz C300 or 200 2020 dimension is, the length is 185 and 187. This is the range of the length. The range of the width is 71 till 74, and the range of the height is between 55 and 57. And the MSRP is 43,000. This is the price. By using our model, so we are feeding our model with the dimensions, and here this is the price. We are getting 36K, which is not bad and it's not good. So it means we can build a better models. But for simplicity's sake, I'm not gonna move forward. I just wanted to show you how we can predict Mercedes-Benz C200 price by K neighbors and K nearest neighbors algorithm. Thank you so much. Have a good one.